You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. I love that phrase from Maya Angelou. Hey, beautiful girls, and welcome to Becoming Her. This podcast will help you grow stronger, wiser, and more confident as you navigate life's ups and downs. I am your host, Essie Childers, founding director of Young Ladies Success and author of Becoming Her. And today we're talking about something every young woman faces at some point: challenges, and how you can rise above them with resilience. Life isn't always easy. There will be moments that feel unfair, overwhelming, and just plain hard. I know from experience. Maybe you're struggling in school, feeling misunderstood at home, dealing with friend drama, or trying to move on from something that really hurt you. Challenges can hit you when you least expect them. But what matters most is how you respond. Every time you rise after a setback, you build resilience. Now, you know what resilience is. Resilience is your ability to bounce back, to keep going, and to learn from the struggle. Don't let it define you. So, I want to talk about how it's okay to have feelings. It's okay to feel hurt, disappointed, or even angry when things go wrong. Feelings aren't something to hide from, they are something to understand. When you give yourself permission to feel, you create space to heal. Cry if you need to. Write in your journal. Talk to someone you trust. But don't stay stuck. Resilience means you let yourself feel and then you choose to move forward anyway. Hard things will come, but so will growth, strength, and new opportunities. A second point: did you know you are stronger than you think? One of the biggest lies is believing that struggling means you're weak. But here's the truth: even the strongest people face battles. Everyone has days when they want to give up. Would you agree with me? What makes you strong is that you keep trying. You take the next step even when you're unsure. You show up even when your heart feels heavy. Strength isn't always loud. It's not about pretending everything's okay. Real strength is quiet. It's found in your consistency, your faith, and your courage to keep going. So, if you're walking through something tough right now, remember this: you're not defined by what happened to you, you are defined how you rise from it. A third point I want to talk about today is the pressure to fit in. So, let's be real for a moment. One of the hardest parts of growing up is dealing with peer pressure and the desire to fit in. Sometimes you might feel like you must act a certain way, wear certain clothes, or do certain things that don't feel just right to you, make you feel like you don't belong. But following the crowd can be dangerous. You don't have to change yourself to be accepted. You don't have to say yes to things that make you feel uncomfortable. Real friends will respect your boundaries and your values. So, resilience also means having the courage to stand alone when you need to say no when everybody else is saying yes. Because every time you choose integrity over popularity, you strengthen your inner confidence. And that, my friend, is true power. So let's take a few moments to reflect on these questions after you listen to this episode. What's one challenge you faced recently, and what did it teach you about yourself? Another question: how can you remind yourself that it's okay to feel, to have certain feelings, but not stay stuck? Have you ever gone alone with a crowd and regretted it? What would you do differently next time? What's one thing that helps you bounce back when life gets tough? Write them down in your journal or talk about them with a friend, mentor, or a parent who supports you. Before we close, I want to remind you that you are stronger than you think. You've already overcome so much, and even when life knocks you down, you have the power to rise again. Your story is still being written, and even challenging is shaping you into a more confident, compassionate, and courageous version of yourself. So the next time life gets hard, and it will, take a deep breath and say, "This may be tough, but so am I. I can do hard things." Thank you for joining me today on Becoming Her. If this episode encouraged you, share it with another young lady who need a reminder of her strength. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch the next episode. Until next time, keep believing, keep growing, and keep becoming her. I'm Essie Childers, Director of Young Ladies Success and author of Becoming Her.